So we are always looking for people that believe that they can make a difference and make a change. If you're excited to make changes and you're excited about challenges and you love problem solving, Deco's a great fit because that's what our DNA is all about.
Deco as an employer, I've been with Deco 8+ years or so, and it's the 4th company I've worked for in my 30+ year career, and so far my favorite. Management team here at Deco is very collaborative and all on the same page.
Deco's company culture is really based on a balance of our legacy, of our expertise. We were founded in 1960, but balancing that with innovative solutions.
This is a really exciting time and it's also a challenging time. There is so much opportunity, but there's also a shortage of employees. And we realize that the most important thing we can do is find good employees and retain them, and training them and helping them develop their skill set and creating an occupation for them that they enjoy every day when they come to work is all part of the future of our country and of the company.